I and my wife flew into Texas yesterday. To be precise, this is the southern part of Texas. It is 87 to 92% predominantly Hispanic. And one thing I have noticed here in America as it concerns Nigerian businesses is that a lot of Nigerian restaurants, hotels, and bars especially don't have good customer service. This is not just my opinion, but also the opinion of others. If you go on social media, you would find contents of even Africans giving reviews of Nigerian and other African restaurants and bars here in America. One of the major reasons why a lot of Nigerian and other African businesses, especially in the hospitality sector, are closing up is that we lack good customer service. We can do better. I can tell you for a fact that the way the Hispanic people talk to their customers most of the times is different from how an average Nigerian would address a fellow Nigerian. According to recent data, over 20% of Nigerian businesses here in America are closing. And I have been trying my best to find out what could be the reason. One of the biggest problems with Nigerian businesses, especially in the hospitality sector, restaurants, hotels, bars, we are too aggressive. Let us try to be more friendly. Food you are paying for with your hard-earned money, you see the person serving you, behaving as if they are the one doing you favor. It is not good. We as a people, we have to try as much as possible to be better people. That is why you see that in the last 3 years here in America, over 15% of Nigerian restaurants have closed up. Go on social media, you see the review people give when it comes to Nigerian businesses. It is not good. We're too aggressive. We don't know how to talk to each other. When you go to Hispanic restaurants, Indian restaurants, you go to like Chinese buffet, the way these people talk to you, you want to be there for hours. The environment is serene. They let you know that you are the one doing them a favor because the services they are rendering, you are paying for it. So let's take this constructive criticism as an opportunity to improve. I am not here to bring down any Nigerian business or businesses. My own is to see a better Nigeria back home and better Nigerians doing well here in diaspora. You spent money, time to set up your business, and at the end of the day, your employees are unable to give good customer service, which falls back on you, the owner of the business. Criticism is what has built a lot of big businesses here in America today. That is why you see that there are many businesses here in America. They send people to go as customers just to get review. That is because these people want to be better. But when it comes to African businesses, especially that of Nigerians, I beg, make we improve. All the places I have gone to since yesterday here in Texas, trust me, it is different. When you go to a Nigerian restaurant, sometimes the food safe, you don't give and see. Then, what you come make the food not even sweet tire you? Now the approach where them go they use for you. The food just give you the akpu put and there, come out. No courtesy. They don't go make you feel at home. Sometimes you want just rush the food, make you quick move for Yankee. Whereas if you go Indian restaurants, you go Mexican restaurants, you go Korean restaurants, see, they make you feel at home. If you be mad self, you go to think say that they toast you. Make we change. Lastly, See you later.